Hi, welcome. This is Navjot from MrWirk.com. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to actually manage your bookmarks effectively in Google Chrome. So there may be a case when you have so many bookmarks that you don't really use. So for example, for me, this is from my college time, and I had so many bookmarks that I don't even use anymore and I don't need them anymore, but they still exist. And every time I sign up with my Google account in Google Chrome, they always come up in each browser. So I want to get rid of them and I do not want to delete them one by one. Um, you could do that by clicking on them and deleting them, which is one way to do that. Other way would be to click on one of them, actually do right click on your MacBook. Same should apply on the Windows as well, and you can say delete, that would delete it. Whereas instead, if you want to manage your bookmarks all at once or multiple at once, go to Bookmark Manager, click that, and that will open the Bookmark Manager, or you can just access it by typing Chrome / bookmarks, and that will bring you to this page as well. So here, as you can see, there's not a selection checkbox or mark where you can select multiple bookmarks, whereas here you can actually import or export bookmarks, which is good to know from where you can do that if you're looking to do that, just additional info. So here, for example, here again, it allows you to add it or delete it. So that's one way. Again, it's the same way of deleting it one by one. Whereas if you want to select multiple of them, so let's say I want to remove all the ones with courses. These are four, there's four of them. So all I have to do is select the one I want, and then I will have to press the shift key and click at the last one until where I want to delete. So that's gonna select all of them, and then I can just it's gonna say selected for, I can delete them. So let's do the same. So I'll select the first one and then let me select the last one, and this way I have selected a list of them. There's 21 of them and I can delete them. Now let's say if you want to delete them all, you just do not want to cherry pick a couple of them. So we started with deleting one by one, we select, then went to multiple at once, and now we're gonna be doing all at once. So all you have to do is Command A, which will select everything. For Windows, it is going to be Control A that will select everything. So as you can see, through Command A, everything is selected, and now I'll just press delete, and that's it. And the bookmarks are cleared out, and job well done. Thanks for watching. This is Navjot, and I'll leave a link to the description to an article which will basically explain the same thing, but whichever way you prefer, or if you want to share this with your friends or family, please leave a comment below the video if you liked it, or any suggestions for any further improvements or video requests. Thanks for watching.